They're fixing the train tracks, and I don't know if it's actually shut down. Hopefully it's not. If it is, gotta go a different way. There is a smaller, the smaller park that I wanted to go to. But you know what? I might go to the other one. I might go to another one, a different one. Yeah, it's nice out today, man. Usually I don't wear usually I'm not out or just riding in a freaking t-shirt, but got to today. Usually when it's done raining, it is so hot. But it's nice. I'm laid all the way down. But it's nice out, man. I like these gloves. I saw some other gloves that I was just like, holy crap, I need those. They're so expensive, I gotta find out. I just gotta find where I can find them. Probably cheaper, see if they have them in store. I need to go to Cycle Gear, see if they have them. I forgot what they're called, but I saved it on the book. I bookmarked the website on my computer. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, everybody's out today. I'm always checking behind me. I got my my viewfinder. I think you can see that one in the video. Maybe it's because it's full color, but. Go to the baseball park too. Maybe I ought to try that. I'm gonna try that. Probably not gonna be able to do much riding tomorrow. We got a bunch of crap to do. I mean that as a figure of speech because we got opening weekend, open ceremonies for baseball. And it's an all-day event, and then got some other stuff to do. Why this guy is going so slow? Ooh, what was that? Ah, shit. That's why. Ah, that sucks. I had a feeling. I was wondering why the line was going so far. They've been fixing all the tracks lately, so it's been causing a lot of issues with it's been causing a lot of issues with the traffic. If this shit doesn't open up, I'm just gonna turn around. Last time I came down this road, the same stuff happened, and I just turned around because the line was so long, and I didn't want the bike freaking burning up, man. But we could also use this time to talk about what we got going for the bike next. And honestly, I went ahead and ordered an air filter. So we got a DNA air filter coming. I decided to go with that over the Sprint, simply because, I mean, like, I don't really want anything that's gonna cause me to do more maintenance, because if I gotta keep checking my air filter, then it's like, I don't know, it just means more maintenance, and I don't want to do a lot of maintenance on this bike. So stick with the DNA. It's had some good proven results. I'm good with that. And honestly, I just think the plan, I'm still undecided with the gearing. So, but I'm wondering if it's something that I would need to redo. Like, if I were, for example, if I were to get new gearing, does that affect the tune? Because last thing I want to do is go back and have to redo it again because I changed the gearing and it's all off. So last thing I want to do. Yeah, they got like a little skate park down here. So I'm gonna check that out, see if it's kind of clear. So it's going to be opening weekend here, this weekend here at the baseball field tomorrow. It's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be busy as hell. chicken squeeze. Woo! All right, let's get to work, baby. She better be a model. Woo, that breeze picked up. It feels good.
I mean, man, it's like H-Town over here, you know what I'm saying? H-Town my home, man. This is how we do it over there, you know? Yeah, we be riding with them slabs on foes.
Living in the sun. So I gotta remember when I take this shit out to remember to zip this shit back up. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. See, guys, I knew that shit was gonna happen, man. Damn. See, that's one thing I don't like about the Pocket. I forgot to bring the connector because I forgot it on the freaking magnet tripod, and I didn't bring the extra one that was in my case that I was originally going to bring. I didn't bring it because for some reason I just assumed that I still had that 1/4-inch thread, man, and I don't. So, damn. So what does that mean? That means no intended pictures that I was hoping to do today. Look at that. I knew I got hit by something, dude. It felt like a bee. I hope I didn't get stung. Let's get some photos.
I'm in this mug feeling fat like I'm overweight. Top gunner, you a runner, I'm the heavyweight. Comparing tools, you a fool, I'm the better play. Yeah, got my swag and my dagger. Play on his tools with my jewels, I'm in Jagger.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hold my tools and my swagger. Put us on the map.
That shit looking good, son.
Like Tiger Woods with the Masters. We holding hard.
Look at that.
We the plaster.
What up, what up, what up? Yes, sir. We out here. Oh, I think it was the ambulance over there. Yes, sir.
Culture's the same, man. We dirty South, man. Dirty Southern do it better, man. Yeah.